Good morning. Solid state drives, unit number 5. Question name: discuss the current controller design using P controller for a separately excited DC motor drive system. Here we are dealing with a current controller, how a current control can be designed by using P controller for a separately excited DC motor drive system. So from this block diagram we could identify this is our main circuit. That is AC supply is given, that is supply is converting into DC, that is given into the machine. This is nothing but we have studied already in previous chapter, that is previous question, motor load transfer function system. So from this motor load transfer function we could identify it only for motor equation is taken here, because here we are dealing with the current controller. If we deal with the speed controller, that time we could go for load side also. So now only the machine side, that is motor side, we are designed. So the motor side is enough to identify how much current is required and how much current is to be changed or how much current to be modified based on our different purposes. So the input AC supply is given to the converter is given into the supply to the motor responding with some current. So the motor's current value is taken as a reference, and that reference value is compared with our actual, that is actual value is taken and which is compared with our reference value. Based on this comparison, if any error produced, that will be given into the current controller, and the current controller controls the bridge rectifier. Actually this supply is getting controlled. Our ultimate aim is to control this supply. For that we are going for this reference. So here input speed error as a current reference, that is speed error, but it is taken as a current as a reference. Output obviously we know that is current. So this block diagram, mainly we could identify that this block diagram, here the main flow and here the feedback section. If you want to take a transfer function for this diagram, we could identify that transfer function which is equal to g of s divided by 1 plus g of s h of s. So we can take the g of s, this is the main flow, we can take this area as g of s and this area will be taken as h of s. This is taken as g of s and this feedback section will be taken as h of s. So if you are substituting g of s and h of s in this equation, g of s is nothing but ki kc into km1 into 1 plus s tau m1 divided by 1 plus s tau m1. Whereas in h of s we can take it as kr. So just directly I am substituting this value. G of s is numerator and 1 plus g of s into h of s as denominator. I repeatedly telling, that is g of s as numerator, 1 plus g of s into h of s as denominator. Now we are taking above and below. There is one term is there, but this term is adding with 1. So we can take it denominator alone as a LCM, then this term will be in common, so we can cancel. So just I am numerator as it is I am taking, and denominator I am just cross multiplication, that is I am taking LCM for this denominator alone. So if I am taking 1 plus this term as LCM, 1 plus this term, that is cross multiplication, 1 plus s tau m1 plus this ki kc km1 1 plus s tau m into kr the whole divided by 1 plus s tau m1. So now just compare numerator and denominator. There is common term, so we can cancel it. Remaining term ki kc km1 into 1 plus s tau m, the whole divided by denominator term 1 plus s tau m plus ki kc km1 1 plus s tau m into kr. And this term, if you want, you can have this term, or else you can directly go this. From this term we can write the next term, that is ki kc km1 1 plus s tau m, same term. This denominator part we are taking this one s term, all the s terms we are taking into common. So 1 plus ki kc km1, this one, multiplication of these two value, we are getting another kr, that is first term, plus s term in the sense tau m1, here s term and this term also, because this is multiplied with this term. So s tau m1 plus ki kc km1 and kr and tau m. I am just repeating the same. Numerator as it is we are taking, and the denominator we are categorizing s term and non-s term. So non-s term in the sense 1 plus ki kc km1 into 1, this term, that is into kr, that is non-s term, plus s term in the sense s here and here, this term in the sense this is multiplied with these two terms. So s into tau m1 plus ki kc km1 kr and tau m. In this entire term we can have a numerator and denominator can be divided by 1 plus ki kc km1 into kr. What's the need? If you make the denominator into 1 plus s, if you want to make for the simplification, we need to divide this entire term by entire term by the same term in numerator as well as denominator. So if 1 plus ki kc km1 and kr, if it is divided with the help of numerator and denominator in the sense ki kc km1 1 plus s tau m divided by this term, the divided term, and in denominator the already we have 1 plus s 1 plus ki kc km1 kr divided by this term, in the sense value will be 1, so I am taking 1 plus this remaining term also divided by 1 plus ki kc km1, so the remaining term will be divided by 1 plus ki kc km1 kr. In this above equation here, just for the simplification, we can make in numerator this ki kc km1 divided by 1 plus ki kc km1 kr, because all the values are gain. So these gain values are simply we can have the gain value as kic, and the remaining term, that is in denominator, yes, this term, that will be termed as tau m2 is equal to tau m1 plus ki kc kr tau m divided by 1 plus ki kc km1 kr. So just for the simplification we are making this rearrangement. So after this rearrangement, if you are taking the above equation, that is this entire term except this 1 plus s tau m, remaining terms will be named as kic. So kic into 1 plus s tau m1, 1 plus s tau m1 divided by this one as it is plus s into this entire term will be termed as tau m2, that is our new value of transfer function, that is output value divided by input ei of s. While we are considering this all the gain value in kic, this KIC, if you are considering this all gain value, normally if the gain of a particular device, for example current controller or rectifier or reference value, the gain value should be more than that of 1. It should not be a 1, so it should be a more than that of 1. So if you are comparing, if any value, if the all the values, if it is 1000, if you are adding 1000 with 1001, there is no big changes if you are adding this 1 with these big values. So just we are neglecting this one. Okay, so just when we are comparing the value of 1, the entire values is much higher, so we are just neglecting this one. So if you are neglecting this one, this KIC will be KI, KC, KM1 divided by neglecting the one, the remaining terms are like this. So the KIC is nothing but 1 divided by KR. The gain of a particular controller will be inversely proportional to the reference value gain. And similarly for the tau m2, this one is neglected in this term because it is much higher. So the term J tau m1 divided by Ki, Kc, Km1, Kr plus Ki, Kc, Kr tau m divided by Ki, Kc, Km, Kr. These two terms are divided by this single term because neglecting 1. So tau m1 divided by this term, K1, Ki, Kc, Kr tau m divided by this term. So we are writing like this. This above term we can have the cancellation of Ki, Kc and Kr. Okay. So remain term, that is tau m1 divided by Ki, Kc, Km1 and Kr plus the remaining term tau m. So similar we can have entire equation. Just we can have, when we are comparing these two terms, we can make a simple equation of tau m is equal to tau m2. So the equation can be rewritten as Ia of s divided by Ea of the transfer function KIC, that is already we have drawn KIC 1 plus s tau m divided by 1 plus s tau m2. So this is our transfer function or design of a current controller using PI controller for a separately excited DC motor. Thank you.